Put a soap in the cup of the toilet and you will thank me forever. Pay close attention because once you know this, you will start doing it today. It is very common for water residues and salt water to stick to the edges of the cup of the toilet, which can be unpleasant, especially after cleaning the bathroom. The accumulation of these can make the toilet look dirty and require constant scrubbing. However, there is a simple trick that can save you time and effort. All you need is a perfumed soap bar, which you can choose according to your personal preference and favorite brand. Let me guide you through 2 methods that you can use to incorporate soap into the tank of your toilet, which allows a more easy and hygienic cleaning process. The first option involves the use of a mask or mouth cover. Start by cutting a part of the end of the mask with scissors. Then place the soap inside the cut part of the mask. Use the cut band to wrap and tie the mask securely, making sure that the soap is well closed. While I share this advice, I am curious to know where you are watching this video so that I can send you a greeting in the next ones. Today, I would like to greet Natalia Acosta de Chig, who is always learning with us. If you don't have a hand mask, there is an alternative method that you can do using a worn sock that you no longer use. Take a pair of scissors and cut an end of the sock as I show you. Then insert the soap into the sock, making sure it is secure. Then tie a knot at the open end of the sock, making sure that the soap remains in place. Now that we have covered both methods, let's go to the bathroom to try. Remove the lid from the tank of the toilet. For the sock method, insert the sock full of soap into the tank and wrap it around one of the tubes. Make sure it is securely placed and that it does not interfere with the operation of the toilet. Next, we try the second method using the mask full of soap. Similar to the previous method, tie the mask to one of the tubes in the toilet tank and let it rest for about 5 minutes. After the designated time has passed, it is time to unload the toilet. When doing so, the soap will mix with the water, creating a slippery solution. This slippery mixture will cover the walls of the toilet and prevent something from sticking to its surface. You will get a cleaner toilet bowl that requires less scrubbing and maintenance. In addition to the practical benefits of this trick, the scented soap will leave a pleasant fragrance in your bathroom, ensuring that it smells fresh and cozy. If you have come this far, leave me the phrase "soap for my bathroom" so I will know that you saw the full video. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get more useful tips like this.